morning to my respected teachers. I am Priyanka and I am a student of B.Ed, pursuing B.Ed from Lovely Professional University. As a part of my internship, I have made a non-working model on water cycle, which I have shown in another video. Today I am going to show the working of eyes through our working model. So let's have a recap. What is the aim of this model and how I have made the material required for its making. So let's have a quick recap. The eye has a roughly spherical shape. The outer coat of the eye is white. It is tough so that it is protect the interior of the eye from accident. Its transparent front part is known as cornea. Behind the cornea, we find a dark muscular structure called iris. In the iris, there is a small opening called the pupil. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. The iris is the part of eye which gives it is a distinctive color. You can see many of us have gray, blue, green or brown and black colors. So this is due to iris of the eyes. Iris control the amount of light entering into the eye also. Behind the pupil of the eye is a lens which is thicker in the center. The lens focuses light on the back of the eye on a layer called retina. The retina contains several nerve cells. Sensations felt by nerve cells are then transmitted to the brain through the optic nerve. There are two kinds of cells: cones, which are sensitive to bright and light, and rods, which are sensitive to dim light. Cones sense colors. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is possible at that spot. This spot is also known as blind spot. Nature has provided eyes with eyelids to prevent any object from entering the eye. Eyelids also shut out light when not required. Eyes is such a wonderful instrument than in normal it can clearly see distant objects as well as objects nearby. The minimum distance at which the eye objects distinctively varies with age. The most comfortable distance at which one can read with a normal eye is about 25 centimeter. So now I have made this model of human eye. In this model I have used the thermocol. You can easily see that this is the thermocol and this is the eye which I have shown with the help of thermocol, and I have used the sketch colors and Fevicol. So yes, if I talk whatever we have discussed in the video, I think that is understood. So now let's understand how the working of the human eye and basically the image formation is happening. So yes, so light enters through the cornea. So cornea is the outermost layer of the eye and it's a transparent, and when light rays enters in the cornea, it passes through the iris. So yes, basically when iris reaches the light, so it will contract or shrink. So we can say that the amount of light can be controlled through the iris. When when iris reaches the collects all the rays, so it will focuses on the lens. So this lens focuses all the light, and that the lens will focus all the light, and the image of the whatever the eye is seeing, the object, that will be made on the retina part, right? So lens is focusing all the light and the image formation will be on the retina, and this retina, and here you can see the nerve cells are there. These nerve cells, what they basically do, they will give the signals to electrical signals to our brain that this kind of image has shown by our eyes, and the focuses on and our lens, and that will be received on the retina. So the signals will be supplied, or we can say they transmitted to the brain through the optic nerves, and again that will be come back to the eye, and whatever the signals received from the brain, that will our eye will show. So I am going to show you that how our eyes will glow, or light passes into our eyes. So basically I am turning off one light so that you will be easily see. I have I have pasted a button here, so through which I can show you that a light is being observed here. Yes. So whenever our are opening, so these kind of signals or our eyes will focus all the light rays, and whatever image will our eyes see, that will be formed at the retina, and with the help of these optic nerves, the signals will be sent to the brain, and brain again send these signals to the eye, and the focus will, our eye will focus all the images which will be seen by us. So I have shown attached this light, and I will turning it off, right? I have attached it and I am turning it off, and now I can turn on. Yes. So now I am turning on the light. So yes, basically I hope how the human eye actually works is understood to all of you. Thank you so much